Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deaja if you're new here. If you're new here, I make a lot of videos about college, I make videos about beauty, I make videos about just really my everyday life, any kind of videos that pertain to me, so fitness, grocery hauls, just the whole shebang. So if you want to become a part of my squad or whatever, just go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a video so you're never late on seeing what I'm posting. So yeah, today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day look. I decided to do one this year because I was like on YouTube and everyone was doing one, so I was like, okay, I need to post one because, you know, this is going to be my second Valentine's Day that's like an actual Valentine's Day. You know, I do have a boyfriend, so we're going to go out and do the whole shebang. So I'm just going to do a tutorial on the kind of look that I would wear if I was going out on Valentine's Day, or when I go out on Valentine's Day. I don't know if this is going to be like the exact same look, but somewhere around that field. So I already set my eyes. That's why my eyes are like all brown and like, you know, one straight color, and then the rest of my face is like multiple colors. You know, you got a little like pimples and stuff. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get on with the eye tutorial. I'm just going to tuck my little bangs behind my ears just so they're not in the way. Make sure you guys comment down below like what you're doing for Valentine's Day this year. I want to hear it. If you're going on a big bang like date, or if you're going just home, just, you know, vibing with yourself, then let me hear it. I'm definitely very interested in what you guys are doing on Valentine's Day. And I'm going to tell you guys what I'm doing too, but first let me go ahead and start off with the first step. So the first step, I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm just going to put that around the outer of my eyelid. So I'm just going to use the windshield wiper motion to create like a little circle on my eyelid, like the outer of my eyelid, and just pack that on there, blend it out. Okay, so once I have my pink going on my outer corner on both of my lids, I'm going to go in with a darker color to deepen the crease, and the color I'm going to go in next is going to be this darker color right here mixed with this one. So what I'm doing for Valentine's Day this year is I'm going out to eat. Me and my boyfriend haven't really made up our mind of like where we're gonna go out to eat, but I kind of want to go to Longhorn, so I'm sure we're gonna go to Longhorn because, you know, happy wife, happy life. But yeah, I just plan on eating like no other, having a good time. Whenever I eat out, I really like to enjoy myself. I know I've been just like trying to do some more like healthy living and healthy eating and stuff. I know that when I go out, I'll usually go out and do the full course. I like to have an appetizer, the main dish, and maybe dessert. I don't know, sometimes they just go so OD with the dessert and it's like super duper sweet and I can't even pretend to enjoy it. But I know definitely that when I go out on Valentine's Day, there's going to be an appetizer and a good hefty meal. Okay, so after I have that dark pink kind of in the crease and the light pink kind of in the outside, I'm going to go in one more time with a darker shade, and this one's just going to be this shade right here because it's the darkest pink that I have, and I'm going to build that into my crease. The fallout is so crazy in this palette, but it's okay. I'm just going to build that right into my crease just to get as darken up as we can. I'm definitely on the hooded eye team. That means I don't have a lot of lid space, so it's always tricky to know like where to stop and where not to stop when I do this, but we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for a little half cut crease with my concealer, and I'm gonna put more dark pink, and it's gonna lead into a light pink shimmer. So let's get it. Okay, so with the Morphe 350 palette, I'm going to go in with this color and this color kind of mixed up to go over my concealer that I have on my eye. And also comment down below how you guys feel like Valentine's Day should be. You know, just like, I feel like Valentine's Day is very centered around the female, and I want to know, like, do y'all think Valentine's Day should also be about the male? You know, should it be equally? Should it be 60-40 female male, or should it be, you know, 60-40 male female? How much of like the day should the male get? Just those kind of things. Just let me know how y'all feel about that, because I feel like the male should get some attention, but low-key I feel like the woman is the one who should be, you know, pampered. Okay, so now that I'm done, I have this big like blob of just light pink and shimmer. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of dark pink onto the outer sides and then just blend it in so it's not so like choppy, you know. So I'm going to go in with this bad boy right here and just work that onto the back of the shimmer. Alright, so let me catch you guys up on what we kind of got going here. So after the eye crease, I'm going in with this darker color. I'm just darkening it up on the sides, and I'm also darkening it up on the top so it's not like a choppy transition, and it's giving it like a purple pink little metal kind of vibe that I'm okay with. And then I'm just gonna go in with my regular brush that I was using at the beginning. Where did you go? And I'm just gonna bring out the light pink one more time, this color right here. I'm just gonna go out with the top of that so we can still have our light pink being incorporated into our eye. Okay, bear with me. I'm gonna do winged eyeliner, and I never do winged eyeliner. I never even do eyeliner because it like is so hard, and I just don't. And 2, I really like to use the Anastasia dip brow that you're supposed to use for your eyebrows as eyeliner. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. So this bad boy, I don't know what has provoked me to use this, but it is a go big or go home kind of moment right now. And I'm going to go in and line this all right here in the crease and just give myself more glitter in my eyes. So here we go. Go big or go home. Okay, let that dry. Okay, so I just finished putting on my lashes. The glue is still a little wet. They're drying right now. Ooh. Goodness. And so I'm going to put the bangs back and get ready to do a little full face. So I'm going to start by using my LA Girl concealer. It's honestly like really close to my skin color, so it could be foundation, honestly. But I'm just going to use this to even out my face. Are we fully blended? Looks like it. Let me keep going a little bit just to make sure. Okay, so next I'm just gonna go in with my True Match powder. Nothing too special about this, and just set that concealer foundation combo that we just did. Okay. Then next I'm just gonna go in with some setting powder. I'm just gonna go in with the sponge. I have a little bit of the Laura Mercier translucent powder that I have on top. Go ahead and take this off before I get too ashy. So once I'm done like putting in a little contour on my cheeks, I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, and for my bronzer I just like to use the 39A palette, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm gonna bring it right here, up there, over there, you'll see. Okay, so once I have like a little contour thing going on my face, I like to, well, for this look, we're going to do something different than what I usually like to do, because I usually will go in with my Smashbox regular like little glow highlighter. But for today, I'm going to use my Face and Eye palette. It's a virtual glow. I'm going to go in with this pink right here and use that as my highlight, just because it's Valentine's Day. You know, we want to make it more special. I'm just going to go in a little bit. It like really picks up a lot of product, like a lot. Ooh. Who would I be if I did not set my face first? Hello? I know when I watch makeup tutorials, I'm always like, how did they do that? Like, come on. Like, how did you really do that? And every time I do a makeup tutorial, it's never like I'm asking myself, how did I do that? But I'm literally asking myself, like, how did I do this right now? Because I don't even know, honestly, sis. Just follow the steps, follow the colors I said I was using, put them in the place where I said I was putting them, and hopefully you get the same thing I'm getting. So, whew. But I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm just gonna put it up on the cheeks. Okay, then last but not least, we have the lip. So for the lip, I'm going to do a nude pink lip. So I'm gonna go in with a nude lip, and then I'm gonna top it off with like this pink glitter stuff that I bought. So for the nude lip, I am using the brand DLS lip gloss in the shade Nude Beach. And honestly, when I use nudes, I really don't really like them because they always make me look ashy. I know like that's a thing for like black people. We have to be very careful with our nudes because I'll be the one to say it, like it makes us look ashy and it's not cute. And then I'm gonna go in on top of that with this pink bad boy. And when I first tried it, like I literally just put this on and I was like, oh my god, I'm never gonna use this. But I tried it last night with the nude and this combo and it was looking way better. So I'm just gonna put in little dots. Mix it around. You can put as much as you want. Get it as pink as you want. And boom. There you go. And there you go, guys. That is how I would do my Valentine's Day makeup. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you can recreate this. I used the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, the Morphe palette. It was just great. It was grand. I'm so glad that it turns out the way that it did. I'm trying to zoom in, but I don't think the camera will let it zoom in. But yeah, I like the light pink lip. It's not making me look ashy, not making me look tacky. I like the pink eyeshadow. It kind of reminds me of prom, and it has that glam, the full coverage on our face that we wanted, you know, all of that. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you like the little makeup look that I have going on here, or if you're going to recreate it. If you do recreate it, oh my goodness, at me on any of your social medias that you have me on. Send me pictures. I want to see it so I can repost it and for you guys, you know what I mean? But yeah, I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. I hope this tutorial was like beneficial to you. It was entertaining. If you're not going to do the recreate the look, I hope that it's whatever you wanted it to be for you. So yeah, have a good day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.